Hello, grade 3. We are here today to explore how does where we live affect how we live. Specifically, how does a person's culture and community shape their identity? And we've been focusing and zooming in on traditions and celebrations, and we're going to do that today on a Jamboard. So you are going to share your thinking there. I'm going to give you just a quick reminder in case you need it, and you can watch this video. So when you go into your Google Classroom, you will see we have a Jamboard. Important to note, friends, is that we will be working on this Jamboard together. You have the right to use this Jamboard and the responsibility to respect your friend's workspace. You're going to read the questions on the Jamboard. Create a sticky note with your name. Make it small enough so others have space. Place your sticky note next to the question that explains your understanding of tradition. And when you're done, you'll repeat with celebration. So just to remind you, the Jamboard will look like this. The big question is, which of the following best matches your understanding of tradition? Is it that traditions are events that families celebrate each year around the same time? Traditions are passed down from generation to generation. Traditions are a part of many cultures, but not all cultures have the same traditions. Our traditions are unique to a group of people's beliefs, ideas, and ways of acting. So you would just create your sticky note and, remember when we played around with this? No, you want to change it to green. Fantastic. You do you. That's me, right? Cancel. I'm done making my sticky note. Wow, nobody else will ever be able to fit their sticky note, so I'm going to make it a little tinier. What do I think? Well, maybe here. Now, I'm not saying that's the right answer, because the cool thing is this is the right answer, this is the right answer, so is this, and so is this. But which one best matches your understanding? What makes the most sense to you? So when you're done doing that, you're going to go on to celebrations. So celebrations are happy occasions, usually held with a group of people. Celebrations can focus on one person or a group of people. Or celebrations can take place in school, like assemblies and class parties. Or celebrations often have food, music, decorations, and/or dancing. Again, they're all right. It's just what most matches your understanding. So that is our challenge to you, inquirers. Remembering we're all working together, so create enough space for all friends. Oh, you'll need to create a new sticky note on this page, right? New sticky note for each page. So, again, no wrong answer. You do you. Can't wait to see where our thinking takes us on this fabulous trip to the Ukraine. Okay,